they're already off, which is fabulous. Okay, good deal. Good morning. I'm glad you're here this morning. We're starting just a little bit early again because we want to give our 4th and 5th graders a chance to get out of the cafeteria and down to the room because they've got another day of testing. I've got a first grader who's going to come up and help me with the pledge. Remember yesterday we had to sit back down because you were asked to stand and there was a lot of talking. So today when you are asked to stand, I'd like to see how quietly we can stand. That makes you ready for the pledge and ready to be respectful. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Jack and I'm in Miss Harrison's class. Please stand quietly.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Thank you, sir. I have breakfast eaters who are talking. Gentlemen, there is no